It's pre-op day. We're on our way to Duke. Baby Jason was really sleepy. We're almost there. All the appointments start at 1. I'm starting to feel really nervous and stuff. Jace! Oh, you're so happy. Uh-oh. We're waiting to be called in. Let me see. I'll show you a little bit of the hospital over here. On the 2nd floor. Peekaboo! Hi! 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 What are you doing? Say hello! The reason why I'm wearing this is because it's playtime, and after pre-op, they gave me these things to get him used to it and just play. So tomorrow he's not freaking out. We're also playing with syringes and band-aids. Yeah, so tomorrow he doesn't freak out with everybody wearing these kind of things. See. Is that a syringe? And band-aids. So they gave me these things to take home, and my sisters, they gave me more than one. So what do you think, Mr. Jace? You on the camera. Hang on, my phone's ringing. Bye. It's my mom. She's like downstairs. Hello? Manda, mami. Uh-huh. So I forget what I was telling you guys, but yeah, so we're just going to do playtime a little bit longer, then we're going to take a bath. Come here. Say hello. And I forget if I told you that the reason for all this stuff. What are you doing? You're okay. What are you doing? You on the camera? Where are you going? Where? Okay. Come here, little goofball. You can't climb that. No, no, no. You can't climb that. And he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Jace, you could fall, buddy. Hi. You want the camera? What is that? He gets so mad I don't... Here. Don't throw my phone, though. I'm freaking out. I don't know if I already said this. I didn't know I was gonna freak out. Or, like, not freak out, but, like, I feel like it can't breathe. Hello? Are you pretending you're on the phone? Ah, don't lose my phone. He's pretending he's on the phone. Who are you talking to? Come back here with my phone. Okay. Don't lose it. Yeah, so I feel like he can't breathe. I think it's like 6:30 and he can't drink milk past midnight. He can drink water up until 4 in the morning. I have to be up at 5 with him probably leave the house by 5:20, which I already packed. Clothes, just extra clothes for him just in case. I know he can always wear the gown. The reason for these things to like playtime right now is so that he gets used to it and doesn't freak out tomorrow when he sees everybody wearing this. Another concern of mine is last surgery they allowed me to go with him to anesthesia up until the very last moment when he was put under. This time around they might not let me because they said they have this like medicine that makes the baby loopy and makes him forget the events, so he won't really care that they're taking him, and so they won't let me in the room. I'm really concerned that that's gonna happen because it's really important to me, and I let them know, peekaboo, that I'm the last person that he sees and the first person he sees when he wakes up. So they told me ultimately it's the decision of the main anesthesiologist. He has the final say, so I'm going to try to convince them. Are you pretending you're on the phone again? He's so goofy. Yeah, so he has the last word, and so I'm going to like, I know it's traumatic, I don't know. For some parents, because the baby's body goes like super limp right after anesthesia, and so like some parents don't like to see that. Other babies struggle. I think I talked about it in the last surgery. Some babies like they fight it a lot, so you know, as parents you don't like to see that, and babies crying and then being put. But let's not talk about it anymore because I feel like maybe he can feel me, and I don't want to stress myself out even more just thinking about it. But I just wanted to let you guys know what to expect, especially those of you following me with Cleft babies and just wanting to see what, you know, it's like and stuff like that. I've gotten a lot of really sweet emails from people, and I've been told a lot that I'm really, really strong, which is awesome. But I do have to say, it's really hard. Like, it really, really, really is hard. And it doesn't get easier, I guess, this time around. Like, but babies are really strong. Come here. Come here. You didn't fall. You didn't fall. You got your feelings hurt. Come here. Come here. Is your toy, where's your toy? Ben, Papa, Ben. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Why are you crying? Abrazo. 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 Your mama. 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 Are you ready for your bath? Babies are really resilient and very, very strong, and Jace is an amazing little guy. So it's all gonna be good. Abrazo. She's like, nope. Bean? Are you hugging me? Jace, where are you? Hi, peekaboo. Where are you? Where's the baby? Jace, I don't see you. Oh my gosh, what are you doing back there, buddy? Are you hugging me? What are you doing back there? He's so goofy. Are you ready to go take a bath? Yeah? What are you doing? You're trying to bite my back. Come back here. He's being so goofy. Ah, there you are. Ah, up. Look at your socks over here. Come here. Be careful. Oh, Jace, you know you're not supposed to go in there. Be careful with your fingers. Okay, we'll push it. No. I'm scared. And we're gonna pull everything out. well, see you guys in the morning. Mwah. Okay, bye-bye. We're gonna go take a bathy. Demo, I love you. We're getting ready to go. So I have stuff packed like randomly. I just need to pack the brush for the bottles so I can wash them there. Boy, they said to pack stuff that he feels comfortable with. I don't know how to turn this off though. I don't want to. I mean, I guess it's gonna be going off if it accidentally. Just packed a sweater for me. Everything else is Jace's, just in case. PJ's, milk. In my purse, I have like toys, glasses, paperwork. I think if you saw anything, the diaper bag, and baby soap there. Oh. Just gonna change them and then I'll go. Everyone's so sweet on Instagram. Thank you so much for the support, everyone that follows me on there. It's helped a lot. I somewhat got sleep, but you know how it is in these cases. Surgery days are not fun. Pollito. Ah, ¿te estás tapando? To the hospital. This bottle has nothing because he's not allowed to have any liquids. Right, Jace? You holding mommy's hand? Where are we going? It's dark. Pollito. Hi, sweetie. We got him into his gown. Hi, you want to see the baby? Say hello. We're all checked in. She's watching Mickey. He wants to touch him. Jeez.
Okay, time for Rockstar Training 101.
We're waiting on the anesthesiologist.
Done. First, you gotta move your head. Then, you kick out a foot.
It's not dancing.
See? Okay, here's where you put the star in Rockstar. The pickety star.
Hello. Hello. He's just chilling. Look at those legs. Ooh. What are you doing? Mira el bebé. ¿Dónde está el bebé? Are you bouncing? Hello. Say hello. I'm ready to go to surgery, everyone. Besito. Otro besito. Who's that? You look so sweet. Hey everyone. Jace is sleepy. recliner too. Chase has been sleeping on me this whole time. I'm exhausted. 3:59. Having these. I just put him in his crib. He's had so much pain. Jesus getting some antibiotics and he's awake. Say hi. A little bit swollen. He's got some medicine and a little bit of drainage on his shirt. But you've been pointing at the machine, right, honey? How are you feeling? He's wearing his no-nos. Look at your little hand. Good. Are you pointing at the TV? What are we watching? An infomercial? I know. Okay, come here. What's wrong, buddy? You want to eat? Come here. Let's get you out of there. He just went on a wagon ride around the hospital. Oh, what's wrong? You were so happy. You don't want to talk to the camera. Oh, you want to hold it, but you can't because of your nose. Okay. Did you want it? Hey. Hello, pumpkin. He's like, I'm too busy, Mom. Chase, bye-bye. He's so serious. He's like, well, Mom. His little face is still so swollen. You can feel in his eyes. Do you like this wagon?
No, we'll wait just if you think she's
Okay, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye. He didn't even care. He's like, see ya. Loopy, yeah. Yep. We're just waiting to be released. And those are his grandparents on his dad's side that are driving him on that wagon a little bit so that I could rest, but I can't really rest. So I'm just sitting here. I'm waiting on my parents to come so that they can just sit here with me, and then we can get released and go home hopefully soon. I've been waiting to get released all morning because he's been doing really good, eating and everything. He's like super strong. My baby's just like the strongest baby ever. So proud of him. I feel loopy myself from lack of sleep and just... Hey, Jace.
¿Dónde está?
He's in the wagon.
Lo vi en el wagon.
No. Parents brought me food.
¿Qué fue? ¿Estamos afuera?
Yes. Get mommy. So Jace has been really happy since we got home and very playful. I got directions from my surgeon that I could give him food with the spoon sideways as long as it's to the mouth and not inside. And he's really happy with it. And then the nurses advised that I put it in the fridge because it would feel really good to him if it's cold. I just took a shower. Good baby. Say bye-bye. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. I already changed him into new PJs for the day, and those no-nos. He's actually figured out how to do stuff and reach for things with them, just with his hands really straight. We had a rough night, right, Pumpkin? This is the camera. Do you want to see yourself with Mommy? Look. You okay? Okay. There you go. Can I see it? No? He would wake up, he takes oxycodone, every 4 hours. So every 4 hours, that's when it wears off, and around that amount of time, that's when he would wake up in so much pain. So I would give him some. And then, well, actually it was just twice last night. I think last time I gave him some was around 2. And I actually need to check the time now. Hang on. Yeah, it's 8:43, so he can't have any. Do you want your bottle? Do you want some? I'll give it to you because you can't put it in your mouth. Oh, you just want to play with it. That bottle just has water, because after the medicine this morning, I just gave him the oxy not too long ago, so it's 8:43, so 9, 10, 11, around 12:43 he can have it again. If he runs like a low-grade fever, he can have Tylenol with the oxycodone, like it's fine, they said. But he's fine now. Right, Pumpkin? And I've been giving him a lot of applesauce. in the fridge because it feels good to him and he really likes it. And I think you guys saw me feeding him yesterday. You want to play with it? What else? It was a tough night for me because I'm very, very tired. I really haven't slept in a few days now. I kept trying to get rest at the hospital, but I didn't really sleep. Damn. I'm just trying to think of what else to add to this vlog so I can put it up because the next one will be recovery. And you want to talk to the camera? Say mama.
Mama.
Mama. Good job. Say hola. Remember you were saying hola a few days ago? Oh, we can't see ourselves. Let's turn it around. Oh, look, there you go. Mama. I love you. Do you want to play with Scout?
Me and my friend.
We like to do everything together. Oh my gosh, I sing horrible.
Jump, jump, jump. Let's wag up. 2 minutes of bedtime music. Snuggle up.
What else have I not told them, Mr. Jace? Okay, let's turn it off because this might make people dizzy. You don't think so? Mama? I remembered what I was going to tell you guys, but I don't know if Mr. Jace will let me. Maybe I'll have to wait a little bit. Well, right outside of, let's make sure the dress is not all the way pulled up when you're pointing it down, Mr. Jace. Look at his feet, pretty, like, pajama things. Isn't that so cute? His little feet. Yeah, so when he went in for anesthesia, and I don't remember if I told you guys that they let me go in there until he was put under, which I was really grateful for because I was scared they weren't going to let me. Ow, my hair, you're pulling it, Mr. Jace. Ow, 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 ow. Let go of Mommy's hair. Ow. Thank you. When he came out, well, the surgery took about 3 hours, but when he came out, I wanted to make sure that I was the first person that he saw when he woke up, but he actually woke up before they, like, when they were bringing him out in a crib into recovery, before we got a room, he woke up and he stood up, like, still, trying to wake up from anesthesia, and, he woke up and he stood up and was trying to climb out of the crib and escape. And the nurse was like, well, you have one strong baby. Like, who comes out of surgery and tries to stand up and, like, be like, I mean, I guess he was just, like, scared and, like, what is going on, but he should have been super weak physically, and he was not. He was just trying to escape. He's like, ah. What do you think about that story? So that was really interesting when the nurse was telling us, because they immediately went to go grab me, and when I got there, she was just carrying him, and he just seemed like he was crying from pain, and his feelings were hurt, but he immediately melted into my arms and went to sleep. And then when we were waiting for a room, there was a point where, or actually right in recovery, the pain meds that they give them only last like 5 or 10 minutes. And then after that, so you constantly have to be giving him some, you know, if he's in constant pain, which he was. But there comes a time where we were waiting for a room and then it wasn't ready. And then because we were about to leave at some point, they weren't giving him any sort of pain medication anymore until you got to the room. Like, they couldn't give them the oxycodone on the recovery room on the floor. So I was just really annoyed, like desperate to get to the room because I knew he was like, you know, not comfortable and just feeling so much pain and stuff. But aside from that, there was a little bit of drainage throughout that first night at the hospital yesterday, or no, that yesterday was here, first time at home. Only a little bit, like throughout that night of surgery, which my dress, I think you guys, I don't know if you guys saw, but it was like covered in blood in different times just from me carrying him. Right, Pumpkin? But look at him, I'm already feeling so much better. Of course not throughout the night last night, but... Oh, you want to put it in your car? Okay. I'm just putting the camera in a little truck. You want me to make it shake? There it goes. Okay. Oh no! So I just realized there's 3 minutes left on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye. If there's anything that you guys want answered that I forgot, just leave a comment and I'll make a video, or I'll answer it right there. I know I haven't gone. I need to go back to a few of the older vlogs and just answer everyone that has left anything. And then also I'm going to put up a question and answer blog, but completely different. Just I did like a Instagram, if you have any questions, and then just, you know, random ones. But this week will just be all about recovery, and I'll put that blog at the end of the week. So thank you so much for watching. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. Wait, be careful. Come back. Oh, you're going to go in there with your no-nos? Jeez, can you? Oh, you're so cute. I love you. He has figured out how to... You have. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye with the no-nos? Bye, everyone.